everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to share few things we can purchase from IKEA under $10. They are very useful in our regular life. The items are mostly from kitchen. They will make our life very easy. So let's see what are they and how they are useful every day. The glass container section from IKEA is amazing. They have a variety of collection. I personally like this kind of jar with this lid. So I decorated my pantry with these jars of 12 of these jars. I have one more bigger glass container, that is these big size glass jars are also reasonable price under $10 from IKEA. These are the silicone stretchable covers that are available in 3 different sizes. We can use them to cover the cut fruits to keep them as fresh. Here I covered the lemon with a small cover. This is a glass pitcher. We can use this one as a vase, or also we can pour the juices in the summer. So this is a very small item, but it is very sturdy and this is very less price. This is a knife sharpener from IKEA. I think it is under $5. This is very helpful in sharpening your knives. This is a frother or stirrer. I purchased it from IKEA. This can be useful to make coffee for one person or make the buttermilk for one person. But we need to purchase the battery only from IKEA. This is a dish cleaning brush. The bristles are soft enough to clean the pots and pans. It reaches all the corners very well. I really like this brush to use it on the cleaning the dishes. And after cleaning we can also stick this one to the countertop. This is also one more dish cleaning brush which comes to pour the dish liquid. So we can squeeze the dish liquid while cleaning it. The bristles are very strong to scrub the hard stains on the pots and pans. These are the spice jars. I think almost all the kitchens will have these kind of jars. Beautiful with the lids, and they come as a set of 4. These scissors from IKEA are also very sharp. They come as a set of 2. Right now I am showing only one. This is a steel rack from IKEA under $10 which can protect your countertop from the heated pots and pans. This is a small pitcher from IKEA. I use this in my cooking all the time. This is very lightweight. This will be very useful while cooking. These are the small glass containers from IKEA. They come as a set of 3. We can keep any item and store it. Their lid is very tight and they are so airtight. Their size is very cute. This is a steaming basket available in IKEA. This is very useful while cooking the vegetables or any other things. So we can use this one in instant pot or any other bigger bowl. We can close this one when not in use. So this is a very must useful item in our kitchen. It comes with this small holder so that it is easy when it is hard to take out from any pot. This is another item. This is a grater. It comes along with the box so that when you grate carrots or something, it will be filled with this box. I am already peeling the mango, so you can store in this one. It has 2 different holes, so we can change them. This is a kitchen towel from IKEA to dry out the washed dishes. It absorbs the water very easily and also it dries out the moisture from it very easily. We can also hang it. So this is a very useful item. This is a set of kitchen towels from IKEA. They absorb very well and their quality is very good. I wash them every time, but still they are looking very fresh. These are the ceiling clips available from IKEA in different sizes. I purchased a long ago. I have been using them from so many years. I use them to seal all kinds of pantry items in my pantry. These type of glass containers with wooden looks look so beautiful, and also they are airtight. This glass is very thick. They are available in different sizes and shapes. They are very useful in our daily life. These are the glass jars from IKEA for a reasonable price. We can store the food items. They are very cute. We can decorate the countertop or pantry with these jars with the food. Beautiful serving plates are available in IKEA under $5. They are really helpful while serving the food. These are all the items that are under $10 from IKEA that I use it on a daily basis. I hope this video will be helpful while purchasing it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.